Starters orders, and away they go for the Division 2 of the Red Rufus handicap. And on settling down, it is on the inside Majestic Charmer, on the outside Amber Lightning, then comes Demosthenes, tucked up on the inside is Wonderful Era, then on the outside of Wonderful Era is Demosthenes, followed by Dazzling Dynamite. Dancing Queen comes in next. Dominant, tucked up on the inside rails. Visakha there, length and a quarter behind this Nagada. Upon the outside there is Royal Pearl and Carnoustie bringing up the rear as they go past the 1000. They're all pretty closely bunched up as they go towards the 800-meter marker. Majestic Charmer, the leader, by about a length and a quarter from Wonderful Era and Amber Lightning together. Another length and a half behind is Demosthenes. Moving up on the outside, there's Dazzling Dynamite. Then there's Royal Pearl, Dancing Queen, Visakha. Then another 3 lengths away, Nagada, half a length on the outside, Carnoustie, and Dominant in that order as they start negotiating the curve at the 600. Amber Lightning, the leader, by about length and a half now in front of Majestic Charmer. Demosthenes is on the outside. Then there's Dancing Queen, Wonderful Era, followed by Dazzling Dynamite, Visakha in that order. They are well into the straight now. Little over 350 to travel. Amber Lightning being driven out ahead by about 3 lengths from Demosthenes. Dancing Queen gaining grounds on the outside, and so is Dazzling Dynamite, followed there by Dominant. On the outside there is Nagada and Visakha, but going inside the last 150, it is Amber Lightning with the Dazzling Dynamite coming up on the outside, but it's going to be too late as Amber Lightning pulls it off with Safari Dansari from Dazzling Dynamite and Dancing Queen, Visakha, Nagada, Demosthenes, Majestic Charmer, then there's Dazzling Dynamite, Carnoustie, Wonderful Era, and the last one to finish home is Royal Pearl.